Hello children, what color is this? This is black color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is a kite. This is a oval. This is a diamond shape. This is heart shape. This is right triangle. This is a pentagon. Now it's coloring time. Brown color. This is a brown kite. Yellow color. This is a yellow oval. Light green color. This is a green diamond. Orange color. This is the orange heart. Dark blue color. This is a right triangle. Pink color. This is a pink pentagon. Kite, oval, diamond, heart, right triangle, pentagon. Thank you for watching children. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.